Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy A70 versus a Oppo F11 Pro. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time. And logo came up first on the A70, and Oppo F11 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio P70 processor with a 6GB RAM, while the A70 comes with a Snapdragon 675 processor with a 6GB RAM as well. So let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Oppo F11 Pro is faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A70 is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there, maybe more. So Oppo F11 Pro comes with a full HD IPS SD display versus a Super AMOLED with a 1080p resolution on the A70. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background. So first two application is the phone dialer, faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, little bit faster there. So next up is the settings, that was about the same on both phones. So moving on with some more application like mic lock, that was about the same on both phones. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test, which application is faster. So next up is the calendar, faster on the A70 this time, and F11 Pro is right behind. So my files, faster again, little bit quicker on the Oppo F11 Pro, and you can see system based application faster on the Oppo F11 Pro. So let's see some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush, and Samsung Galaxy A70, it is little bit faster compared to the Oppo F11 Pro, about half a second difference there. So next up is the Subway Surfer, and seems like A70 faster. Yes, it is faster than the Oppo F11 Pro. Very small difference there when it comes of games loading times. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and again Samsung Galaxy A70 seems like faster there, and yes, it is little bit faster than the Oppo F11 Pro. And you can see games is faster on the A70, but the system based application faster on the F11 Pro. So last we're gonna launching the cameras, that was about the same on both phones. Oppo F11 Pro comes with a 16 megapixel the pop-up selfie camera, and you can see, and it is a very unique feature in this price range. So let's see the internet browsing speed, and I am using the Google Chrome on both phones because I don't have Samsung internet browser on the A70. First website is the Amazon.com, same Wi-Fi network, and Oppo F11 Pro is faster there, followed by the Galaxy A70. And you can see, let's show you the scrolling, and I noticed some lags and glitches on the A70, and you can see very bad smooth performance on A70. So wikipedia.org, next website, and that is really faster on both phones. And now A70 is also very smooth in the up and down scrolling. Let's see the important part of this video. Let's check out the RAM measurement, and both phones comes with a 6GB RAM. So very interesting to see who is upper hand. And we are back to the internet browser, that is also not refreshed on both phones. Overall, I have said that the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A70. Oppo F11 Pro is right behind to the Samsung Galaxy A70. RAM measurement is really good on both phones because both phones comes with a 6GB RAM with a awesome optimization. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A70 versus the Oppo F11 Pro. give the video thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future content, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.